Hi there, if you want to reset apps preferences on Samsung S25 Ultra, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to the settings. Now from here, you just need to scroll down until you find apps. Tap on it. Now at the top right corner, you will find this three dot button, and from here, you will find reset app preferences. You can tap on it to reset the preferences for all apps. Then this will reset all your preferences for the disabled apps, notification restriction for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for app, and permission restrictions. So you just need to get this read, and you won't lose your existing app data of this application that you have installed on your device. Now as soon as you tap on restore, then it will restore all the apps preference on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.